Hello children, now I welcome you back to the second part of exercise 8.1 from question number 6 to question number 11. In my previous video you have seen from question number 1 to question number 5. So let's start question number 6. Now we go to the 6th question. If angle A and angle B are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos B, then show that angle A equal to angle B. So again what we do, we draw a right angle triangle. I name it as A, B, C. It is right angled at C, and A, B are the acute angles. Okay, so if that is the case, now it is given cos A is equal to cos B. What is cos A? Cos A is this much, cos A. So base by hypotenuse, so it is AC by AB, and it is given. What is cos B? Cos B is base by hypotenuse, so it is BC by AB. Now it is given that if cos A is equal to cos B, that means, which implies AC by AB is equal to BC by AB. So the base are same. I can write this as AC is equal to BC. Okay. If AC is equal to BC, that means it is an isosceles triangle. If it is an isosceles triangle, you know that if the sides are equal, then these two angles will be equal, which implies angle A is equal to angle B. Proved. Okay. Angles opposite to equal sides. The reason you will write as angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Okay, fine. So this is your 6th number. Now we go to the 7th number. In the 7th number, it is written that if cot theta is equal to 7 by 8, evaluate this. Okay, fine. So again, what to do? First, draw a triangle. Okay, name it as A, B, C. Right angle at B. I am putting it like this. Okay. Now it is given cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. What is cot theta? Let me put this as theta. What is cot? Cot will be base by perpendicular. That means it is AB by BC. Fine. Okay. So that means AB is your 7 and BC is your 8. So let us find out what is AC. Again, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So now you have, what is AB square? It is 7 square plus 8 square, which implies 49 plus 64, or AC is equal to root over of 49 plus 64 is equal to 113. Okay, so 113 does not have any square root value, so I just keep it like that. Now it is set 1 plus sine theta, 1 minus sine theta. So let me find out what is sine and what is the cos value. Okay, sine theta perpendicular by hypotenuse. Now how much we have got? 113. Perpendicular is BC by AC. So you have 8 by root over of 113. What is cos theta? Cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse. So it is AB by AC. So that is equal to 7 by root over of 113. Fine. Now let us put it in this formula. When we put it in this formula, then what we get? Let us see. So I am talking about bit 1. 1 plus sine theta is 8 by root 113. Okay. Into 1 minus 8 by root over of 113 whole by 1 plus cos 7 by root over of 113 into 1 minus 7 by root over of 113. Now you see, this is a plus b into a minus b. So what is it? A square minus b square. If you remember that formula, okay, that is an identity. So you have 1 square a square minus 8 by root over 113 whole square. This is also a plus b into a minus b. So you have 1 minus 7 by root over of 113 whole square. This is also square. So now I get 1 minus 64 by 113 whole by 1 minus 49 by 113. Okay. So if I put this, then what do I get? See, this will be, LCM will be 113. This will be 113 minus 64. And here LCM will be 113. You'll have 113 minus 49. So how much it is? This will be 49 by 113. This will be 64 by 113. So these two gets cancelled. So what do you have? 49 by 64. This is the answer. Second bit. What is cot square theta? Second bit. What is cot theta? Cot theta is 7 by 8. So cot square theta is equal to 7 by 8 whole square. That is equal to again 49 by 64. Got it? Both the values. Now this is about your question number 7. Now we go to question number 8. In question number 8, you have, if 3 cot A is equal to 4, check whether this. Same type. See, don't get puzzled on seeing this type of question. It is the most easiest one can have. Okay. So I'm naming it as A, B, C. This is perpendicular over here. Now let me write the question. It is written over here. 3 cot A is equal to 4, which implies cot A is equal to 4 by 3. Okay, what is cot? Cot is base by perpendicular. If I am talking about this angle, so this is base, this is perpendicular, that means it is AP by BC. So now let me put this is 4 and this is 3. Clear? So again we have to find out AC. AC will be root over of AB square plus BC square. How much it is AB? It is 4 square plus 3 square. So 16 plus 9. It is root 25, which is equal to 5. That means AC you have got 5. Now sine, see what do you need in this question? You need tan, cos, sine. Okay. So if cot is this, so what will be tan? I'm not finding the value. It is the reciprocal of that. So it is 3 by 4. What is sine A? This is tan A. What is sine A? It is perpendicular by hypotenuse. So it is 3 by 5. What is cos A? it is base by hypotenuse, so 4 by 5. Clear? Okay, now I am substituting in this question. What was the question? 1 minus tan square A whole by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. You have to prove yes or no. So first LHS. LHS it tells us 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. Okay, so what is 1 plus tan square A and 1 minus tan square A? I am putting the values. 1 minus tan square A. What is tan square? Tan 3 by 4. So it is 3 by 4 whole square by 1 plus 3 by 4 whole square. So this gives 1 minus 9 by 16. Same type, isn't it? Like the previous one. 9 by 16. So this will give you how much? 16 minus 9 by this is plus by I'm straightway cancelling the denominator. It will be 16 plus 9. Okay, 16 plus 9, you know it is 25, and 16 minus 9 will be your 7. So you have 7 by 25. LHS you have got 7 by. Now let us go to the RHS. RHS. Cos square A minus sin square A. What is cos square A? Cos value you have found out 4 by 5. So 4 by 5 whole square minus sin is 3 by 5 whole square. So 16 by 25 minus 9 by 25. So 25 is the base. 16 minus 9, that is equal to, again, what do you get? 7 by 25. So is that clear? So LHS is equal to RHS. Proved? Fine? Okay. Now let us go to question number 9. In triangle ABC, which is right angled at B, if tan A is equal to 1 by root 3, find the value of this. Again, draw a right angle triangle. Okay, and it is right angled at B, so I name it as B. This is A, B, and this is C. Okay, it is given tan A is equal to 1 by root 3. What is tan? Perpendicular by base. This is tan A. Perpendicular is 1, base is root 3. Okay. Now find out again AC. AC will be root over of AB square plus BC square. AB is root 3 whole square plus BC is 1 square root over. So root 3 whole square is 3 plus 1. So you have root over 4, that is 2. That means AC is equal to 2. Find the value of bit 1. Sin A. Well, first let me find out what is sin A. Sin A will be perpendicular by hypotenuse. I am just writing 1 by 2. What is cos C? Cos C. Cos C is this one. Cos C will be base by hypotenuse. If this is the angle, then the side which holds this angle will be the base. Okay, this is the base and this is the hypotenuse. So it is BC 1 by 2. Then cos A. What is cos A? Cos A will be base by hypotenuse. So it is root 3 by 2. What is sin C? Sin C will be, this is sin C, perpendicular by hypotenuse. This is angle and the side opposite to this angle is the perpendicular. So it is AB by AC. So it is root 3 by 2. Now I put it in the formula. See, sin A cos C. Sin A is 1 by 2. Cos C is 1 by 2. Plus cos A is root 3 by 2. Sin C is root 3 by 2. So this gives you 1 by 4. Plus root 3 into root 3 is 3 by 4. So you have 4. 1 plus 3. 4 by 4 is equal to 1. Clear? Now we go to the second bit. Cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. Okay, I think I have found out the values here. I am just putting it here. Cos A is root 3 by 2. Cos C is 1 by 2. What is sin A? 1 by 2. What is sin C? Root 3 by 2. So root 3 into 1. So root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4. How much? 0. Got? Okay. So in this question, in triangle PQR, right angled at Q, PR plus QR is equal to 25 and PQ is equal to 5 cm. So what do? We draw a right angle triangle which is right angled at Q. That means this is Q. And I name this R and this as P. It is given PQ is equal to 5 cm. And one more clue it is given, PR plus QR is equal to 25. So PR plus QR is equal to 25 and one is PQ is equal to 5. So what I do, I take QR as suppose X. So let QR is equal to X centimeter. Then what is that for PR? What is PR? If QR is X, then PR will be 25 minus X. So this will be 25 minus X. Now let us find out the value by using Pythagoras theorem. So PR square is equal to QR square plus PQ square. What is PQ square? PQ square is 5 square. What is QR square? It is X square. And what is PR square? It is 25 minus X whole square. Now let me open this one. So A minus B whole square, A square, so that is A square plus B square minus 2AB. So 25 whole square plus X square minus 2 into 25 into X equal to X square plus 25. So 25 whole square is 625 plus X square minus 50X is equal to X square plus 25. So X square both sides gets cancelled. So what do we have? 625 minus 25 is equal to 50X. Sorry. So this gives 600 is equal to 50X, or X is equal to 600 by 50, which is equal to 12. That means QR is equal to 12. If QR is equal to 12, then what will be PR? PR is equal to 25 minus 12. So how much it is? 13. Fine. Now you have to find out, determine the values of sin P, cos P and tan P. That means this P. So what is sin P? Sin P will be perpendicular by hypotenuse because this is the angle, side opposite it. So QR by PR. QR is 12, PR is 13. What is cos P? Cos P is equal to base by hypotenuse. So it is PQ by PR. PQ is 5 by 13. Okay. And then what is tan P? Tan P is equal to base by perpendicular by hypotenuse. So that means Q perpendicular by base. So QR by PQ. What is QR? It is 12. What is PQ? It is 5. So finished. So this is about 10. Now we go to the last question. Last question is state whether the following are true or false. Now the first question. Excuse me. The value of tan A is always less than 1. This particular statement will be false. Why? Because in a triangle, if you have a triangle over here, what is tan? I name it as ABC. What is tan C? Tan C is equal to perpendicular by base. Now perpendicular can be 12, base can be 5. So 12 by 5, it is not less than 1. Okay, so this is false. It can have any value. Now sec A is equal to 12 by value or 12 by 5 for some value of angle A. This particular statement is true. Why? See, because value of sec A is always greater than 1. Sec A. What is sec A? It is reciprocal of cos A. That means it is hypotenuse by base. So hypotenuse is always greater. So that is always greater. Okay. Now cos A is the abbreviation used for cosecant of angle A. Sorry. In my last video what I had told, cos A is the abbreviation of what? Cosine of angle A, not cosecant. Cosecant is cosec A. Okay. So this particular statement is false. Cot A is the product of cot and A. No. Cot A means it is cot of angle A. Cot and A are not different objects. They are the same. It is the cotangent of angle A. So this particular statement is false. Last one, sine theta is equal to 4 by 3 for some angle theta. Sine angle 4 by 3. It is written 4 by 3. That means it is greater than 1. Sine theta is always less than 1. Okay. The value ranges from 0 to 1. Isn't it? So what is the value? It ranges from 0 to 1. So here in particular, this particular statement you have 4 by 3. That means it is more than 1. So this statement is false. So with this we finish our exercise 8.1. Thank you and meet you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.